Peppa Pig stamps. Grandpa Pig is showing Peppa and George his stamp collection. "I think you must have every stamp ever," says Peppa. "So there is no need to buy any more, is there, Grandpa Pig?" says Granny Pig, chuckling. Grandpa Pig doesn't answer. Mr. Zebra, the postman, arrives at Granny and Grandpa Pig's door. He is delivering the post to their house. "It's the post," cries Peppa. "Ah, it's a postcard from my friend," says Granny Pig. "I have never had a postcard," says Peppa sadly. "That's easy to fix," says Granny Pig. "Come with me." "Let's write one now. We can post it to you and George," says Granny Pig. "Yes, please, Granny," cries Peppa. Together they write a message on the postcard. Then they add Peppa and George's address. "There is something missing," says Granny Pig. "It needs a stamp, too." "Grandpa has stamps," cries Peppa. "My stamps are not for licking and sticking on postcards," gasps Grandpa Pig. "I think we'll find some normal stamps upstairs," says Granny Pig. Granny Pig, Peppa and George go upstairs. Granny Pig opens up the desk drawers to look for the stamps. Peppa checks inside. "No stamps here, Granny," says Peppa. "Oh dear, we'll have to have another look downstairs," says Granny Pig. "Look, Granny, a stamp for our postcard," says Peppa, finding a stamp on the table. "I knew we would find a stamp somewhere," says Granny Pig. "George, would you like to lick it?" George licks the stamp and sticks it on the postcard. "Now it's time to post your postcard," says Granny Pig. Granny Pig, Peppa and George walk to the red post box. "Send it off, George," says Granny Pig. Peppa helps George post the postcard. "Hee hee," says George. "Did anyone see a stamp on the kitchen table?" asks Grandpa Pig, arriving at the post box. "Yes, Grandpa, we stuck it on our postcard," says Peppa. Mr. Zebra has already collected the post. Grandpa Pig chases after him. "Come back, my stamp!" shouts Grandpa Pig. The stamp isn't lost. "The postcard is going to Peppa and George's house," says Granny Pig. Grandpa Pig races there just in time to meet Mr. Zebra. Mr. Zebra jumps out of his van to deliver Peppa and George's post. "Our postcard! Yippee!" cheers Peppa. The postcard has Grandpa Pig's collectible stamp on it. "Would you like to keep it, Grandpa?" asks Peppa. "Thank you, Peppa," says Grandpa Pig. "This stamp was important before, but it's even more precious now that it's been posted to you." The end. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.